Mary Kom settles with which medal at 2021 Asian Boxing Championships? Silver. Which state government has announced Chief Sishu Seva scheme for the welfare of children? Assam. Which Indian Coast Guard offshore patrol vessel has commissioned by NSA to the nation for safeguarding maritime interests? Sajag. The UAE government awarded whom with its golden visa? Sanjay Dutt. How much was granted to Madhya Pradesh under Jal Jeevan Mission to provide safe and portable piped drinking water to all the rural households in the state? ₹5,117 crore. Who has been given the additional charge of the Director General of the National Investigation Agency? Kuldeep Singh. Who will head the Emergency Management Plan Group and the 10-member panel on vaccination constituted by the government? VK Paul. Which country chaired the second BRICS Sherpas and SOS Sherpas meeting? India. Which state government has launched Bal Seva Yojana for the children? Uttar Pradesh. As per RBI annual report, banks' bad loan ratio could rise to how much percent by September 2021? %13.5%. Which state government announced ₹5 lakh fixed deposit for children who lost parents to COVID? Tamil Nadu. Who has been named as the convener of the GOM to look into the matters of concessions and exemptions from GST for COVID relief materials? Conrad Sangma. Who launched the Ayush Clinical Case Repository portal and the third version of the Ayush Sanjeevani app in a virtual event? Kiran Rijiju. Which ministry has launched Yuva Prime Minister scheme for mentoring young authors? Ministry of Education. Who has been appointed to head the world's largest museum, Louvre? Lawrence Descartes.